This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take glutathione and collagen together. Start by understanding the unique benefits each supplement offers your body. Glutathione is a powerful antioxidant, crucial for detoxification and supporting your immune system. Collagen, on the other hand, is vital for maintaining healthy skin, hair, nails, and joints. When taken together, these two supplements can synergistically enhance your overall well-being, promoting a more radiant appearance and improved internal health. Let's dive into the best practices. For optimal results, timing and dosage are key. It's generally recommended to take glutathione on an empty stomach, perhaps first thing in the morning, to maximize its absorption. Collagen is more flexible and can be consumed at any time, with or without food, mixed into your favorite beverage or meal. A common starting point for glutathione is around 500 milligrams daily, while collagen dosages typically range from 10 to 20 grams per day. Always consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. When selecting your supplements, consider the various forms available. Liposomal glutathione is often preferred due to its enhanced bioavailability, meaning your body can absorb and utilize it more effectively. Collagen is widely available as a powder, capsules, or even liquid. Hydrolyzed collagen, also known as collagen peptides, is a popular choice because it's broken down into smaller, easily digestible particles. You can effortlessly mix collagen powder into your morning coffee, smoothies, or even water for convenient consumption. Achieving the best results from your glutathione and collagen regimen truly hinges on consistency. Make it a daily habit, integrating it seamlessly into your routine for sustained benefits over time. Remember, these supplements work best when combined with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle. Staying well hydrated by drinking at least 8 glasses of water daily also supports their effectiveness. For more information, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, along with other great deals, be sure to look in the description below this video. Your body will thank you for these consistent efforts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.